What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I did plant some sweet potatoes and we got some frost, so the vines are dying back. So I'll just see if I got anything. Let's check them out. So this is the little box I made for my pumpkin, and then the squash vine borer came and destroyed everything. So I planted a couple sweet potato slips in here. So we'll just see if we got anything. I will take it. Success. That is so cool. Okay, that looks like it's it. But yo, I got some other ones in the garden. I'll go check on them now. Okay, so I have another sweet potato vine here. Now this soil is much thicker and heavier than the one that I just pulled out of. So aha! Yeah, buddy! Yo! I'm so happy. That is cool. Come here, you. And I got a little wormy. It's funny because, like I said, I basically did this as a joke. I was like, can you see it? Yeah. I was like, I said, well, I got some sweet potato slips I started. I went ahead, I was like, I really wanted to see if I could get anything to grow. And then it's coming close to the end of the season. You need around 100 to 120 days, depending on what type of sweet potato. And I was like, well, 100 puts me right around this week. So I was like, well, I'll just try it and see what happens. So cute. Very, very cool. I got some more in another section. This is the side of the garden that gets that morning sun. Oh, come on. Looks like there's a little root back this way. Oh, I broke it though. Okay. Can you see this spot here? I think so. Okay, come on, baby. Give me one more good one. Yo, I will take it. Come on. That's pretty cool. And what I used originally was just a sweet potato I bought from the supermarket. Very cool. I'll show you the little haul. I planted a total of 5 slips, and I'm pretty happy. All this came from one sweet potato that I started. I want to say I started it in like March or April, and it took a very long time for it to actually start producing slips. And then I figured, might as well try and throw them in the garden and see what happens. So I hope you guys are with me and calling that a sweet potato harvest success. This is very cool. I'm gonna get to actually have a little sweet potatoes that I homegrown, and I'll see how they are. Thanks for coming along, watching and checking it out. Everybody have a great day.